Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to set up a Shopify boutique. First, you'll want to choose a memorable name for your store and then easily register your account on the Shopify platform. Next, explore the vast theme store to find a design that perfectly matches your brand's unique style and vision. Once selected, personalize your chosen theme by uploading your distinct logo, adjusting color schemes, and selecting appropriate fonts to create a cohesive and inviting online presence for your customers. Now that your store's foundation is set, it's time to focus on your products. Begin by clearly defining your boutique's niche to source high-quality items that resonate with your target audience. Craft engaging product descriptions that not only detail features, but also tell a story, making each item irresistible. Remember to upload several clear, professional images for every product, showcasing them from various angles to give customers a comprehensive view and build trust. With your products ready, let's configure the operational essentials. Establish clear shipping rates and define your delivery zones to ensure a smooth fulfillment process for every order. Next, integrate reliable and secure payment gateways, such as Shopify Payments or PayPal, offering your customers convenient and trusted transaction options. Finally, accurately configure your tax settings based on your specific business location to ensure compliance and avoid any future complications. You're almost ready to launch. Before going live, conduct thorough tests of your entire store, from product pages to checkout, ensuring a seamless customer experience. Develop a robust marketing strategy to effectively reach your ideal customers, perhaps focusing on a specific demographic. Leverage the power of social media platforms and targeted email campaigns to generate excitement and drive those crucial initial sales, setting your boutique up for long-term success.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.